with another amazing tutorial. So if you guys are interested how I achieved that look, keep on watching the video till the end. So let's get into the video.
A Himalaya toner to remove my makeup and clean the area. You can also use any makeup remover you have. I'm also using aloe vera moisturizer to remove any leftovers. Now I'm applying a second layer of moisturizer to prevent my skin from direct contact to adhesive. I'm using fevicol as an adhesive. With the help of a brush, make a circle around your eyes and make sure you keep it a bit away from your eyes. Spread it thoroughly. Do it as I am doing. Now apply a piece of tissue paper to the area where you applied the adhesive. Apply some more adhesive above the first layer. Don't worry if it gets messy. Apply the second layer. Now take an empty Coca-Cola can and cut it in half. Measure it with the tissue paper in your eye. Do it as I am doing. I have used some cotton ring around the tissue paper. It gives the base for the cane to stay. Apply a lot of adhesive to the cotton before you settle your cane. Settle your cane and start to apply adhesive to the edges followed by some cotton. Do it until your cane stays on its own. Hold the cane in its place and let it dry for a few minutes. Now use some foundation and cover up the whitish area of the tissue paper using the help of a brush. Take your time. Now I am using some honey and few drops of red food coloring, mixing it. I'm also adding some black color to it. Mix it well with the help of a brush and now dab it on your face where you applied the tissue paper. Don't worry if it gets messy. It is supposed to get messy. With the help of a small brush, you can fill it the inner corner. I'm using a red painting color to add some more depth in the wound.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.